Hi guys, welcome back to Coax Software Webflow tutorials. Today we've got an exciting tutorial in store for you. We'll be diving into Webflow to learn how to set up responsiveness for your designs and add some basic animations to give your site that extra flair. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Alright, here we are back in our Webflow dashboard. Let's start by making sure our site looks great on all devices. Click on the little icon that looks like a phone and tablet right here at the top. This takes us to the responsiveness settings. Webflow provides a range of breakpoints for different device sizes. We'll adjust our design to ensure it looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. I've prepared this section with the features to show you how it works. As we can see, this section looks good on a desktop. Let's go one by one to check if everything is alright here. Okay, now we see the tablet. For tablet, it looks good. I would keep it in 2 columns. Let's go to mobile landscape. For mobile landscape, I suggest you guys just squeeze it a little bit. And now we can see that it's not really looking good on the smallest screen side, like 480 pixels. So I would suggest for this, I would change the columns number. So I'll go with 1 column. Click on the preview mode. And now we see it's looking a lot better. Now let's go to the mobile portrait. So on the mobile portrait, it automatically changes. When we change here on mobile landscape, it changes automatically on mobile portrait. So for this, I think it looks good. Let's see. Yeah, it's perfect. Also, we can check other things like our menu, buttons, other paddings and margins. So basically my flow looks like this. I create desktop, then I go one by one. I start with tablet, fix sizes, fix paddings on tablet, then go to mobile landscape, and finally I go to mobile portrait. This workflow works for me, and I really recommend you guys do like this. Good. So now I think we should add some animations, especially hovers, to our elements. I think we really need some hover here for this feature card because now it looks really static. Select the card, go to the style panel and choose here hover. So now everything we change in this style panel only applies to the hover state. So for this hover, I would like to change the background color. Good. Let's test it. It works, but as you can see, it's not so smooth. Let's add some smoothing to this. Select this card, but when we want to make a transition to this animation, you should choose states none. Press plus here, and from this list select background color. By default, the duration is 200 and easing is ease. Now let's test it. Okay, that's a lot smoother. And as you can see, it applies to all of the elements with the same class. We also have this button here. We can also change the hover state for the buttons. Select button element, select hover state, change background color to whatever you like. In this case, we can go to this purple one. And as you can see, we need to change the font color here. Let's choose white. Nice. Yeah, and we also might need this smooth effect to this animation. So in this case, we've changed the font color and we changed the background color. To make it easier for you, you can choose all properties. So this transition effect will affect all of the changes we've done for the hover state. Now let's test it. Beautiful. We might also need some animations for our headings. So select the heading element, go to the interactions panel, go to element trigger, press plus. And we're gonna use scroll into view. Actions select slide, and then let's keep it slide from left. We can preview this animation. Nice, looks good. So we need to do this to all our headings here. Scroll into view, select an action, slide, slide from left. Done. Let's preview our website. As you can see, we might need some delay for our animations because they're starting really fast. Okay, select this animation. We select scroll into view trigger, and here we might change this delay to, let's go with 200. Let's preview it. Nice. And same we should do with this one. Delay 200. Perfect. And there you have it, guys. You've learned how to set up a responsiveness for your Webflow project and added some sleek animations to make it stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.